After an amazing month in Chiang Mai and riding the Mae Hong Son Loop, we're now hopping on a bus back to Bangkok. Join us on this 10-hour ride as we experience our first long-haul bus ride and cruise through the beautiful countryside of Chiang Mai, taking in all the stunning scenery along the way.
Today we're taking a 10-hour bus ride from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. Just arrived at the terminal. It's 9:30 right now. Bus leaves in half an hour. Supposed to have been here half an hour early, so good on time. But let's see how the experience is. Bag situation.
Heavy.
It's actually, I believe it's this one. Yes, it has to be.
Okay.
It was right in front of the stairs. Just so we can
experiment a little bit to see if this would be.
Yes. So we're kind of hoping that there'll be nobody behind us for us to recline.
Seems like a good choice.
Looks good.
Wait.
Yep. Might need a smaller bag.
Okay.
But it's alright.
Maybe my bag could
There's actually plenty of legs.
Okay, that's good.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if that one fits. Much better. Bus left exactly at 10 as we were saying, so it's really good to come in earlier, like at least half an hour early. They do have like a little markets there, so you could buy your snacks if you'd like, if you don't have it already, or as you've seen, probably don't need to buy too much, you know, if you're not a big eater. We already got snacks and the bus just started going like 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago,
I also wanted to say, this is not a VIP bus. VIP buses are usually for night, we were told. So this is just the regular day bus that we got the tickets for at the counter a few weeks prior.
And we were like the first to reserve, so you'll be guaranteed a seat. If you're in Chiang Mai, just drop by the bus terminal, get that in advance, or go to 12Go Asia or go to the Bangkok bus line. I know their website. I'll put it down below in the video.
Yeah, we'll put all the links down below just so they're helpful and you have your different options. Our ticket does come with some light snacks within the bus, and then also a meal ticket. We are going to stop over probably halfway, and we're going to get a chance to just go out, stretch our legs for about like 20 minutes, have some lunch, and then make our way over to Bangkok.
We shall find out the lunch experience. But one benefit of traveling during the day is you get to see the countryside.
Beautiful scenery,
The scenery.
Actually, that's why we picked it. Initially, I was thinking, you know, let's book a night one just so we can save. Actually, that's a good hack if you want to save money on accommodation. You can take night transit, so either a bus or a train, so you're saving one night on the hotel or accommodation. But we were like, you know what? We haven't seen daytime. We actually came here from Bangkok to Chiang Mai via train, and it was at night. So we thought, why don't we just do a daytime transit from Chiang Mai back to Bangkok?
Just to be able to see the rest of Thailand a little bit more. And the roads are actually pretty good compared to a couple of, I would say,
a few years ago, even like 10.
About a decade ago.
Yes.
Roads are smooth, even with the loop. The roads were really nice. So
if you haven't seen our loop series, please do check it out. Pretty smooth ride. I am like, it's kind of like swaying, so it's kind of like putting me to sleep already. I did not have intentions of going back to sleep this morning, but it's nice. It's smooth, and in our opinion, it's actually way better than the third class train that we took here.
The seats are way more comfortable, and just the space around you in terms of private space, it's a little bigger.
It's more spacious.
More spacious. But hey, you could always check out the train experience. We were on the third class, but there's always that second class or the VIP first class. So you could do that, or you could do the VIP for the bus as well, which leaves at 1900. That's 7 o'clock. So yeah. I did not know these things go up. One of the amenities of the seats or in the bus is that you get a USB charger, which is right in between the seats. So
And I also like how comfortable and cushy the seats are. It's gonna really help just kind of ease into the whole 10-hour journey and just relax. I really like it. And I also like that they have this headrest that you can adjust to your height. And then it also reclines all the way back. So it also comes with a fresh bottle of water and a sanitary wipe, which we highly appreciate.
So it Google translated it. It says seafood, crab curry, and we've been actually enjoying this little chips.
Just know that if you're going to be buying chips here, it's like 2/3 air and 1/3 actual chips. Thank you. There's slight turbulence, only because the roads are windy. You know, really good roads, but just windy curves and stuff the bus has to go through. So
We're actually checking up the hill.
yeah, so expect that. And if you're not too fond of like motion, a lot of motion, then maybe some motion sickness pills would help. But we're doing fine. Yeah, the bottom is would be a better choice if you're not too keen on all this motion upstairs. Yeah, they do have a bathroom, I think, here in the back.
Back.
Yeah, a restroom.
On the top floor, upstairs. But if you want the views, I would say it's catch the upstairs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I would definitely
that extra
agree.
height helps.
Yes. We have a baby on board, and I feel like I'm in a flight. We once actually got on a flight from SFO to Dubai, right? Ooh, it was one of the worst flights of our lives because our seats was right next to
Yeah, our cabin distance.
Yes. Lots of babies. They're all crying. We were all up the whole flight. It was at 15 hours. But this kind of reminds me of that. But the baby's been asleep for a while now. I think it just got up because there's some change in elevation. So maybe I'm assuming the baby's ears might be popping. So it's sometimes painful for kids. So. Feels so bad. Okay, well, there's still more scenery that we're enjoying. Lots of beautiful flowers other than bougainvillea. There's this beautiful flower. It's like pastel, like lilac color. There's white. Just beautiful lilac colored flowers. Can you please tell me what they might be? Because they're just so beautiful. But I keep missing them because Now we finally have our lunch break after 5.5 hours. It's around 3:30. We only have 20 minutes. Waseem has gone to take a restroom break. Once he comes back, we are gonna go over to see what they have for lunch. So we're back on the bus after our quick 20-minute lunch period.
Yeah.
We got out, got a chance to stretch our legs, use the restroom, and get a quick meal in right before we had to hurry back and get on the bus to head out again. So 20 minutes tops.
You realize how fast 20 minutes goes.
Yeah.
So just be quick with stuff.
Yeah, we were rushing. We were running over to the cafeteria. We got our food, quickly sat down, had it, and then headed right back.
They have guavas and fruit stand outside,
Yeah, they
and
do.
drinks. They make drinks too. Small little cafe. So
You don't have to have the meal if you don't want to.
Yeah.
You do get it with the ticket. But there's a fruit stand, like Waseem said. There's also like a little mini mart, a supermarket where you can get your snacks, which a lot of other people got.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a quick one for us.
Yeah, we've been enjoying the scenery, taking naps on and off, an hour here, hour there. Waking up to nice rice paddies, flower fields, flowers on the side of the road. Yeah, it's been pretty scenic.
So trip's going well so far. I did feel a little bit nauseous on and off, but then I had some peanuts, had some water, feeling okay now. So like I said earlier, if you're prone to getting nauseous or motion sickness, just pop some motion sickness pills and it should be okay.
But the break was at the 6th hour mark. I have a couple hours to go, and that should conclude our trip.
We'll be in Bangkok soon. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Lights are on in the bus. We only have around 10 minutes more to go. We are getting off at the Mochit bus terminal, which is right by the Chatuchak weekend market. So after that, we are going to possibly get a grab and get to our hotel.
We arrived at not too far out from the actual drop-off time, arrival time. We were possibly like 10 minutes off, which is really good for a 10-hour bus ride, accounting for the 20-minute break time.
And the various stops along
First stops, because we were picking up and dropping off people along the way. I would say total maybe 7 stops.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Which wasn't bad. It was they were like 2-minute stops, 2-3-minute stops. But it's happening here, all right.
Yeah, there's people actually waiting to leave. So we're assuming they're going from here to Chiang Mai or wherever else.
Yeah.
And then a couple of buses just came from Chiang Mai, so we're here. We just got our grab. Now we're waiting for our grab to get here, so we could get to our hotel and find some food.
Because there's no official, like as far as we know, there's no like official place where there's like a pickup area. We saw like taxi cab parked on the side, so we're just gonna flag the person down.
I think usually they expect people when they come off the bus to like get a taxi, and there's an information person inside who will probably help you book a taxi or a ticket, but we just wanted to go with Grab because we don't want to haggle or
have to negotiate prices and meters being off, not,
Yeah, we don't want to deal with that.
Yeah,
so we just got Grab, now we're
Grab
waiting.
is, yeah.
And we'll go find some food, hopefully after we get to our hotel. It is 9:15 p.m. and we just checked into our hotel. We are super hungry, so we're gonna go try to find some food. We did see that there is the Pratunam night market just a 4-minute walk away from here. And it seems that there are a lot of Indian restaurants right on the street. So we're gonna go and see what we can find. It's already 9:15, usually, stalls and places
closing.
Closing early. So, but yeah, let's go see what we can find.
All right.
The night is still not over.
Nope.
There's a lot of activity right now. I think we confuse this with Chiang Mai, where things just kind of really slow down around 9 p.m.
Busy roads, not trying to get run over.
Oh my gosh. We forgot we forgot this is Bangkok.
Yeah.
And it's almost like the city that never sleeps. This would be so cute for a little niece, Navia. Super cute. So we're finally here, found a little spot. It's called Madras Darbar Restaurant, and they have a lot of like South Indian food, North Indian food. So Waseem ordered a chicken biryani, and I ordered a North Indian veg thali to see how it'll be. Reviews say it's good. We'll find out. Our food has finally arrived. I got the North Veg Thali and Waseem got the chicken biryani. Now we are going to go dig in, and I guess we will see you guys in the next episode. We hope you enjoyed our travel day from Chiang Mai to Bangkok and all the little stops we had and all the scenery that we saw and we shared. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And remember, wherever you go,
Don't forget to wander.
see you guys in the next video.
Bye. We just wanted to go with Grab because we don't want to haggle or barter. Not barter. No, we don't want to haggle or